2 feet, one buried under hard yellow callus, one split with deep cracks at the heel. By the end, both smooth. Here is how it comes off and why it built up in the first place. This is a callus, not damage, protection. Every time the same spot takes pressure, the skin answers by thickening, layer over layer, until it turns pale and hard. Underneath, it looks like this: dead skin cells packing down and drying out. The more friction the skin takes, the more it stacks, and the stiffer that top plate becomes. That plate is what the file takes off. Clean skin, back to soft. No blade, no force, just patience. That is the hard skin dealt with. The deeper problem is when that dry skin starts to split. A cracked heel starts the same way. Dryness. But it goes further. The skin gets too stiff to stretch. The heel takes your full weight, and the surface splits open. The edges harden around each crack. Here is the crack itself. Bid to first later zam original cajboard than sard. Every step presses down and pulls it wider. The deeper it runs, the more it catches. Soften the skin first, and it can close. $2,000 Arahat mantles. 2 feet. 1 cause under both. Skin doing its job a little too well. Now you have seen how it forms and how it comes off. Subscribe to see what comes off next.